Hey guys, okay, we're gonna be doing some seated hammer curls and some seated dumbbell lateral to frontal raises. So with those hammer curls, the only thing that makes them different from a regular curl is your grip pattern. You're gonna be holding them with a neutral grip, which just means your thumbs are up. So keep your legs closed together so that you have that full range of motion to get through. We're gonna do 10 on each side. And then those lateral to frontal raises. Straight arms. Just like everything else today, 3 sets of 10.